are so many islands of the SVGs.
We're in Chatham Bay on the west side of Union Island.
420, mind you. We have made some lifelong friends. Full moon. Can you figure out who started the twisted version of this is how it's from.
Come in as guests and you leave as family.
Not this website. This website. We are Eddie and Kara. We sold everything we owned to buy a boat and travel the Caribbean. Paradise found. There are so many islands of the archipelago, whatever that word is, of the SVGs. St. Vincent and the Grenadines have not only our favorite island, which is Bequay, but so many other small islands. Even after being in the Caribbean for several years, there are still amazing places that we have yet to explore and need to be found by us. And the anchor, if you can find it. Ooh, it's kind of gusty here. Whoa! Knock me off. Chatham Bay, which is located on Union Island, was one of those places that were on our must-do list. The bay.
Over in Chatham Bay on the west side of Union Island. Found
And
a
it's-
nice little bar here called
Sunset.
Sunset Cove.
Sunset Cove. Concentrating, making the good pour. Going on a hike today. We are in Chatham Bay. Ooh, I'm in a run. And we are going to hike somewhere. I don't know, up that hill, One of these hills. We're going to go up, see what we see, and then come back down. And then get in the sea. I'm still running. Oh yeah, I'm on fire today. 2 cups of coffee and this brain is working. Oh Lord, and this.
Hike! Yeah! Clifton! Wait, no, where are we? Chatham Bay. He's coming up the hill. Oh, God!
It's hard, baby. I can
take a photo.
That's okay. Oh, that's all right. Thank you.
It's better with the back of his head. It gets the point across.
And especially when he says, "I'm tired. I can't breathe. I can't talk right now."
I guess that's what's making this big pile of shit.
Well, it'd have to come out of the north to wrap around this bay.
Yeah, that's why we're so good here. But the wind is crazy.
Coming out of the east.
Out of the east.
Last time I looked.
So we cruisers are always doing things together. And we always put in our WhatsApp group what we're up to that day. And so today, our decision was to go hiking up to the top and get a good view. And one of the boats decided not to go with us, and they said that we could wave at them from the top, but we decided to do one better. and moon them from the top. So that's the reason why there's mooning going on at the top of the hill. We decided halfway through our hike that Sparrows is where we're gonna go, which is all the way on the other side of Union.
We made it to Sparrows! Woo! Goal has been achieved! Look at that. We made it! Woo! It's so beautiful here. But I guess it's only open on Sundays.
We have made it to Sparrows! Since we've been walking for hours, and then we get to Sparrows, it's not open. Seemed like we have reached paradise. Paradise is closed for us. Oh well, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. Over the last few years of cruising, we have made some lifelong friends.
Get on out there and dance. Dance, I said.
Come on, Karen, dance it!
Oh, to the left. He's saying to the left. Left and right.
Watch me. This way. Oh, look, he let his hair down. It's closing time! Yeah! Best night of my life! Not to miss my day. Sing it.
Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end.
Peace. Put a bunch of enthusiastic cruisers together on 420, mind you. And as always, get into trouble. Oh yeah, that is looking good, Philip. Today we are going to have a bonfire.
This is fun.
Beach party, kind of going away kind of thing, because a lot of our boat buddies are moving in different directions in the next 2 weeks. And so we're going to celebrate, and it's also a full moon! Woo-hoo! Dominoes and Scrabble started out calm enough, and then turned into this. We're playing our own version of this game. Right, this is how Scrabble Can you fit the theme, Mike? Setting yourself up for? You think pity fuck is 2 words?
That's why I can't play this game. Mike's so good at it.
That is excellent. Can you figure out who started the twisted version of this game? Some good, healthy competition.
Winner! Who is the most fun? Most fun!
Fun. And I actually have the most fun, most fun ever, because I had the most fun and I get to run.
Oh, that's true. Right. Winner, 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 winner.
Tim at the Sunset Beach Bar in Chatham Bay put together a buffet, yum yum, and a bonfire, so that once again we could have a full moon party.
it.
This is going to be amazing. So you're going to hold this plate of food above your head while you swim to your dinghy, and it's not going to get wet. Is that right?
That's the plan.
That's the plan. All right. He's doing it. Bye, Chuck. Don't get your food wet, Chuck. You can do it, Chuck. Chuck, are you okay? Oh my God! I'm impressed. Good job.
Come in as a guest and you leave as family.
Oh, we love you. Thanks for watching Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. That's us. Our present and past videos can be found on Vimeo. And yes, there even is an uncensored option. Our Patreon supporters are so special to us. We love you. Our patrons get access to stuff that no one else does. So become a patron today. Click the link right here. Thanks for watching the Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. Please take the time to like, comment, subscribe, and follow both on this platform and on our website. Right here. This website. Not this website. This website. Thanks for watching from the Krabby Captain and the Sunny Sailor. Living the dream, baby.